The present perfect tense is used to talk about actions or events that have happened at an unspecified time in the past, but are still relevant or have a connection to the present. In architecture, the present perfect tense helps us to discuss buildings and structures that have been completed recently or developments that have taken place in the field of architecture in recent years. For example, in the past decade, several iconic buildings have been constructed around the world. The One World Trade Center in New York City has been completed, offering a modern and striking addition to the Manhattan skyline. The Shard in London, a futuristic glass skyscraper, has also been built and has become a landmark of the city. These buildings have altered the architectural landscape of their respective cities and have attracted attention from around the globe. Furthermore, innovations in materials and technologies have reshaped the architectural industry in recent years. Architects have been experimenting with new materials such as carbon fiber, glass-reinforced concrete, and 3D printed structures. These advancements have allowed architects to create more sustainable, efficient, and visually appealing buildings. For instance, the use of carbon fiber in construction has enabled architects to design lightweight and durable structures that are both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly. In addition, the trend of green architecture has gained momentum in recent years. Sustainable building practices such as passive design, solar panels, and green roofs have become more prevalent in modern construction. These practices not only reduce the environmental impact of buildings, but also promote healthier living environments for occupants. For example, the Bosco Verticale in Milan features vertical forests that help to regulate temperature, absorb carbon dioxide, and improve air quality in the surrounding area.